ClassDojo is an application used to build communities in your classroom. The idea is to have a place where you can communicate with students and parents very quickly. Teachers have access on ClassDojo.com, and students and parents can download their application on any device and access it from there, but they can also access it from ClassDojo.com on their computer. They will just need to enter a class code to gain access from the teacher's classroom. Some of the advantages is that it creates a positive culture in the classroom. It allows students to have a voice. For example, students are able to upload videos and photos and build a sort of mini portfolio that they can share with their parents. It also serves as a way for teachers to communicate with parents, give them reminders, and they can also share with them what's going on in the classroom in real time. When a teacher logs into ClassDojo and creates an account, it's very easy for them to start building classrooms just by clicking here, Add Class. And for example, you will build your class, add your students' names. All your students will have some sort of monster-looking avatar, and this is how you'll manage your class. Teachers might find this application interesting, especially if they're thinking about gamifying their classroom. It can be used as a way to give students points and manage the scoreboard that way. So a very easy way to do that and to add points is Bradley's just done something great in class and you want to recognize him for doing that, and so you can award him points for different behaviors. You can also create your own category of points if the ones that you see are not there. Going back to the classroom management page, this is where you'll see some other functions that you have. For example, this will be your class wall that you build, and you are able to add photos, add some files. There's a possibility of adding a pre-made card that ClassDojo has created for announcements, for example, and students and parents are going to have access to this. You're also able to directly from here send parents emails. You can send them individually, or you can send emails directly to all parents at the same time. You just have to invite parents ahead of time. You don't need to go in and type in all their email addresses one by one. And finally, when you go to your classroom page, there's a possibility of viewing a whole classroom progress report. So this could be used perhaps with if you're doing gamification of your classroom. Maybe you're challenging your students to reach a certain number of points before they can get some sort of award or prize or something, and so this might keep them on track if you're sharing their progress with them. So if you are interested in ClassDojo and you want to get started, go to ClassDojo.com, and again, it's a free resource and it's very easy to use.